Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a Phantom Wallet username. And by the way, Swissborg's got a cool sign-up bonus. You can go ahead and get up to $100 in rewards. Just gotta use the link below, either in the description or in the comments. Just click on it, scan the QR code, and they'll send you a reward card. Now going back, to start by opening up your Phantom Wallet. Wait for it to load. Once it loads, when you scroll down a bit, sometimes you'll be able to see an option that says create your @username, a unique identity for your wallet. But if you don't have that option, don't worry. You can still change or create your own username, which is this one at the top. Okay, this is an account name and this one is the username. So tap on your profile and again, tap on profile. And then here, just tap on edit. Now here we have the username. Tap on it. Let's say, for example, I'd like to change it to made for money. And do take note that username can be changed only once every 14 days. Maybe like that. Now, if it says here that it's available, you can now then go ahead and simply hit on save. Okay. Once you hit on save, you now have your unique Phantom Wallet username. Okay. And it will automatically reflect right here. And there you have it. I'm not going to change mine because I already like this one. Okay. But that's basically it. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.